Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into the easiest way to apply for SBA loan funding, so you can boost your business with confidence. Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into the easiest way to apply for SBA loan funding, so you can boost your business with confidence. The Small Business Administration offers several loan programs designed to support entrepreneurs, but knowing how to navigate the process can make all the difference. Let's break down the step-by-step method to get your SBA loan application approved successfully. Step 1. Understand the SBA loan types and eligibility first. Familiarize yourself with SBA loan options such as the popular 7A loan, CDC 504 loans, and microloans. Each serves different needs, whether it's working capital, equipment, or real estate. Check your eligibility based on credit score, business type, time in operation, and revenue. Step 2. Gather your documentation. Preparation is key. Collect your business financial statements including profit and loss, balance sheets, and cash flow statements. Also have your personal and business tax returns for the past few years ready. Prepare your business plan detailing your operations, management team, market analysis, and how you plan to use the loan. Step 3. Choose the right lender. SBA loans are offered through approved lenders including banks, credit unions, and online lenders. Research and select a lender familiar with SBA procedures and willing to guide you throughout the process. Step 4. Complete the SBA loan application form. The SBA requires its own application form, which you must fill out accurately and thoroughly. Double-check all data and ensure consistency with your documentation. Step 5. Submit your application and wait for approval. After submitting your application to the lender, the process involves underwriting and SBA review. This can take a few weeks, so be patient and prepare to answer any additional questions or provide more documents if requested. Step 6. Close the loan and manage your funds. Once approved, carefully review the loan agreement and terms before signing. Use the funds strictly for the purposes outlined in your application and keep detailed records of your expenditures. Following this clear step-by-step process simplifies the potentially complex SBA loan application journey and enhances your chances of securing the funding your business needs. Remember, preparation and persistence are your best assets. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and like the video so you never miss out on business tips that help you grow. Thanks for watching, and we look forward to supporting your path to success.